Hi, this is a tutorial to actually tell you the step-by-step on how to back up your database. First, come to the Start button here and look for the SQL Server Management Studio. If you're unable to get this SQL Management Studio, you can look through the system for MS SQL Server 2008 R2. Open the SQL Server Management Studio. When you come to this screen, you need to get your SQL Server connected. If you need to have the user login and user password. For this login and password, you can refer to your administrators to get from them. After that, press connect. Once you have connected to the database, open, and then you can see all your database from the SQL server. Alright, and how do you do the backup step? First, come to the database that you want to backup, right click go to the task, select the backup, remove the destinations and click add button and click on the dot button here. This is all your backup destinations. So to do a new backup, what you have to do is come to this field here, put in the name of your database, followed by a dash, and followed by a date of your backup copy, so that you will know when is your latest backup date. If anything happen, we will know which date to get the backup to restore back to your database. Remember to put in a dot back at the end of the file name, because this is the recognized file to restore to a database. So this is the selected path of your backup. So you can just make a copy, so that later after you have backup, it will be easily for you to look for the locations, the destinations for you to get back your backup copy to copy it to your external hard disk. So I will just put it at the notepad here. Right? So after you have input the file name, click OK, and then OK again, and then click OK. Then the system will execute to do the backup process. Wait until the backup is done and is completed 100%. So once the backup has been done completed successfully, press OK. Then you may close this SQL server. Next, go to the destination here, copy, go to your Windows Explorer, paste the destinations here, and enter. So from here you can see the latest backup copy is stored in this this file drive. What you have to do is right click and compress your file. Once it is completed, you can copy this file to your external hard disk. This is to avoid if anything happen to your server, then at least we have another extra copy to restore so that you can be able to get back all your data. So we advise to do it a weekly basis, or you can make it a monthly basis to make it as a habit to back up your file into a external hard disk. That's all for this backup tutorial. Thank you.